Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Nice to meet you. I am Teacher Greg, and you are
My name is Kyle Kim.
Kyle Kim. And where are you from, Kyle?
I'm from Korea, South Korea.
From South Korea. Whereabouts in South Korea are you from?
I'm from Ulsan City.
Okay. And how long have you been in Cebu?
I already have been for 6 months in IBIS.
You're staying for 6 months? Okay. When did you arrive in Cebu?
I arrived here on 2015 November.
Ah, so you've been here for 5 months already?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Do you like Cebu?
Yeah, like I said,
Okay. And you will be going back to Korea when?
I didn't have a plan yet.
No plan yet. Okay. And have you been outside and seen any of the tourist places in Cebu?
Yeah, I already tried.
Okay. And how is your English going? Are you happy with your studies?
Yeah, I had fun with my studies.
You're having fun with your studies? That's good. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I don't have any brothers or sisters.
Only you?
Yeah.
Okay. What does your father do?
My father is working about electrics.
About so he works with electronics. Is he like a salesman or engineer? Or?
Like kind of engineer.
Oh wow, that's good. And what do you hope to do when you finally leave college or university? What do you hope to do?
I want to be a businessman.
A businessman? What kind of business do you think you would like?
I want to have a business about like electric, but like using new energy, like clean energy.
Okay. And you go to middle school?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's your best friend? What's the name of your best friend?
My best friend's name is Jason.
Jason? What do you like about Jason?
He's kind to me and
Yeah. Is he in your class at school?
yeah, not classmate, but he's the same school.
Okay. And does he live close to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys eat together? What's your favorite food?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Yeah.
Okay. Spaghetti. I wasn't expecting spaghetti. I thought maybe some kind of Korean food. But you love spaghetti.
Yeah.
Do you eat in the restaurant in Korea? Spaghetti?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is playing golf.
Playing golf? You're a good golfer? Oh, do you have your own golf clubs?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So who do you play golf with? Do you play with your father?
With my family also and with Jason.
Oh, okay. Does your mother play golf also?
Yeah.
Wow. So you're a golfing family.
Yeah.
Do you ever think about being maybe a professional golfer?
It's
No?
kind of hard.
Okay. And what about music? What kind of music do you like?
I like pop song.
Pop or K-pop?
K-pop also or the song from America.
Oh, okay. What's your favorite pop singer?
Or maybe Call Me Baby.
Call Me Maybe?
Yeah.
Who was the artist? I can't remember.
Oh, I don't know what.
Call Me Maybe? Yeah, I know that one. Okay. That's nice. And your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is talking with others or
Cooking?
talking with
Ah,
others,
talking, yeah.
students, or playing badminton,
Playing badminton?
or playing with dogs.
With dogs? Are you like animals? Do you have a dog?
I had a dog in Korea before.
Yeah. Is he still there?
Oh, I gave him to other people
Why did you do that?
because I have to come to Philippines and I can't leave him in house alone. It's dangerous also.
That's a pity, but is your friend just minding the dog, or will you get the dog back when you go back to Korea, or
My friends just scared.
so you gave the dog away?
Yeah.
Okay, and what airline did you fly to Korea with? Did you fly Korean Air or Cebu Pacific?
I think Asiana Airlines.
Okay. And how was your flight? Were you happy with the flight? Did you eat on the plane?
No, I slept.
You slept?
Yeah.
How long is the flight?
I think it was 4.5
Four and a half hours direct, no stopping. You
Yeah.
did not stop anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.